Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Katelynn, also known as KatelynnPwnz here on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. It's been about 6 years since I've made a video here on YouTube. I just want to jump in and get started. I really want to post beauty related content, makeup and fashion, all that kind of stuff. I'm really passionate about it. My makeup skills have evolved over the last 6 years, I promise. If you look at my videos compared to the ones I will be coming out with, I'm sure you all will be just as surprised as I am. So today I'm going to be showing you this natural everyday routine that I do during the summer using no concealer and no foundation. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep watching. I do not like to wear foundation during the summer. It makes me feel like I'm melting, like I can't breathe. I just cannot handle it. I do not have perfect skin by any means, but I just rock with it and I just kick foundation to the curb during the hot season. So let's jump right in. I'm going to start off using the MAC Strobe Cream. I'm sure a lot of you had used this before. I'm going to go ahead and just take a little dollop of that, and I'm just going to tap it. Oh, I'm throwing it everywhere. I'm going to tap it all over my face. Ooh, got a little there. Don't waste. And I'm going to take my beauty blender, and I'm going to go ahead and tap all over. If you see me looking in that direction, it is because I have a mirror over there. So I'll probably be looking over there a lot during this video. So I'm going to go ahead and just tap, 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 tap until we're all nice and glowy. I really like the dewy glowy look for the summer because if you're sweating, no one can really tell. And you still look glam. Alright, so I think that's good. Looking like a little glazed donut. Okay, so next I typically just go right in with my eyebrows. And so first I just take like this little spoolie from e.l.f. and I just brush my eyebrows a little bit into the shape I want them to be in, or roughly the shape I want them to be in. Alright, so go ahead and do that a little bit. And up, up, up. Okay. And then I'm going to take my trusty MAC 266 brush, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in Granite. It'll ever focus. There we go. Granite. And so I just like to evenly coat my brush in that, and I'm running out. I need to get some more. I need to re-up on some of my makeup items I've got are going around here. I'm going to go ahead and take a smaller mirror because it's really hard for me to do this like far away. So let's see if I can do this.
Yeah.
And then I don't want to go too bold. I like to keep everything a little bit more natural during the summer season just because it's just a whole lot easier to deal with than having that cakey feeling, which I do not mind as long as it is below 70 degrees outside. As always, you know how you have like one favorite eyebrow? Honestly, mine changes on a daily basis. Sometimes I will do one and it'll turn out really nice one day, and then the next day the other one turns out better, and I'm like, why can't you both just be great on the same day? I don't get it. We have a scheduling conflict, girls. Not okay. We're getting there, we're getting there. They're getting more even. And then to clean up a little bit, I like to take a little Q-tip. That's pretty much what you could do with concealer too. I like to get the big, like bold, wispy, natural brows going on, so that's what I'm aiming for here, but feel free to do whatever it is that you like to do on a daily basis. Alright, so moving on, brows are done, brows are slayed. So, sometimes if I'm not wearing the Strobe Cream. I'll use the High Beam from Benefit. It's like a cream highlighter, and I'll put that on as a base before I put on my highlighting powder. But because I did put on the Strobe Cream, I'm not going to do that today because I think it'll just be way too cakey. So I'm going to take the Morphe M501. It's just this nice fluffy brush. It is synthetic fibers. I have the natural fiber one too, but I just like this one better because I feel like it doesn't throw the powder as much. It keeps it in a pretty specific place. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Starlight Illuminator, and I'm going to be using this on my cheekbones, my nose, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and glow up just a little. And I like to start with just a little bit, and then I continue to pile it on until I am satisfied. And sometimes it takes a lot to satisfy me. So I really like this color though for the summertime because I am like super pale, and it just gives like this nice illumination. It almost looks like natural, but you know it's not natural, obviously. But we like to pretend, don't we? It just gives you this beautiful like glaze. Like I seriously feel like a jelly donut that's glazed. My favorite is raspberry filled, so I guess I'm my favorite today. Alright, let's pile on just a little bit more. And I do like to go up a little bit above my eyebrow. Like I do kind of like a C shape. Like that's just me. I like to go all out. And then I'm just going to do a little bit on my nose, a little bit on the bridge. I don't go too crazy. Usually during the winter when I do like a full matte face, that's when I really like go in with the highlighter, and it piles on nicer anyways because it really sticks to whatever base you're using as far as foundation and concealer. But it is too hot for that right now, so I can't deal. And a little on the Cupid's bow. Yes, yes, yes. Are we going? Okay, let's just boop, just for good measure, just put a little boop, 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 boop. Okay, moving on. So now that I am glowing like a baby angel. So next, I'm actually not really doing anything to my eyes. I have very stubby baby eyelashes. So I'm going to go ahead and curl this little babies. So I'm just taking a little lash curler that I got from like Walmart or Target or something. And I'm going to go ahead and just grab them and just push them up. Hold them for a few seconds and then release. Then we'll do the same to the other side. Just hold them up, press, 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 and release. And as you can see, my little stubby babies are a little curly now. Sometimes I do mascara, sometimes I don't. I think today I will. I just ran out of my favorite, their real mascara, so I have my little travel size one today. I chose to do this because, again, I have baby eyelashes, and I like it when they pop out a little. And if we get a little messy, that's okay. I don't see, you know, we'll just be a little artsy. We'll call it abstract and we'll just leave that there. Okay, so last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. I'm going to be using MAC Strip Down. As you can see, this lip liner is very well loved. I have used it a lot. It is definitely one of my favorite shades. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with it real quick. I always start with the bottom. Does anyone else start with the bottom or the top? I always start with the bottom. Started from the bottom, now we're here. I just thought of that. I'm so punny. Then I'm going to go ahead and just fill them in. Okay, so now that my lips are lined, my favorite thing to do is put a gloss over it. My two favorite glosses right now are from Kylie Cosmetics. Of course, the original Literally gloss. It's a nice brown. It really complements my complexion. And then my other one is Damn Gina from the Coco collection. I think I'm going to go with Damn Gina today because I really want to do that glowy, dewy, sparkly look. This one's like a nice beigey, nudie pink, but it has a ton of glitter in it. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on top of the Stripped Down lip liner from MAC. So that's it, guys. This is the final look. This is what I wear on a daily basis in the summer. I just like to be dewy and glowy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple look using no foundation or concealer. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you liked it. If you want to see more, leave some comments down below. Give me some ideas of some content you guys want to see. I'm going to try to post once a week, if not twice a week. So let's see where this goes. Let me know what you guys think. Bye!